Generation Equality is a global effort that brings together various stakeholders to drive change for women and girls. By working together in partnership, the action is taking place all around the globe. Today, we bring you inspiring stories from Zimbabwe.
Since the adoption of the Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action, Zimbabwe has made remarkable progress in advancing gender equality and women's empowerment.
Generation Equality has been transforming gender equality in my country through inclusive leadership, increasing the participation of young women, as well as advancing policy reforms. And this has greatly enhanced the status of women, and we are happy on the progress that we are making, although more can be done.
Youth Legitimate Services Trust is an organization that works on sexual reproductive health rights issues, social protection, and gender-based violence. We are also under the Generation Equality as the Action Coalition member under gender-based violence. Our commitment is on social norms.
Currently, we are also running a project that is called Strengthening Women's Advocacy on Health Governance and Accountability in higher and tertiary education. We are also deepening the scope under the Generational Equality Commitment Program that we are running, where we are now engaging the authorities.
But with Generation Equality, it wants to bring everyone together, everyone around the table to say, what are the issues? Like myself, I'm coming from a grassroots community-based organization. So that shows how committed Generation Equality Forum is in terms of ensuring diversity, inclusivity, and participation of everyone and every other member of the population.
We have reached the hard-to-reach marginalized areas in the Mbire district through the help of our local partners, such as the ministry and also the UN Women, who have given us the capacity to apply a gender lens in our programming.
As an organization, we discovered that there is a gap for persons with disability in terms of inclusion. So as an organization, we then try to cover up the gap by involving them in more activities, such as for maybe if we check persons with disabilities are more affected with GBV issues.
So what we are currently doing is the sensitization of the Termination of Pregnancy Act, as well as the review of the Termination of Pregnancy Act. So we are doing this in ensuring that we recognize the sexual reproductive health and rights of women and girls as per the Maputo Plan Protocol Article 14.
We've gained access to spaces that we would not have gained before. We've also gained in terms of funding, because the moment you write in your profile to say, I'm also part of the Generation Equality Forum, it shows the level that you have gone in terms of engagement. Also, what we have benefited is at that level where you are faced with a lot of challenges, where you are faced with a lot of pushback, backlash, you can always breathe and look back and say, I have feminists behind me.
Generation Equality has made a tangible impact across Zimbabwe. From ending violence against women to economic empowerment, the initiatives on the ground are driving real change. Join us in our mission to achieve gender equality. Visit our website to learn more.